The Bank of Jamaica (BOJ) is exploring ways to increase digital payments in Jamaica. The central bank hosted a digital payment conference in partnership with the Development Bank of Jamaica (DBJ) last week to determine the way forward. Here is this evening's Business Review.
Deputy Governor of the BOJ, Livingston Morrison, said Jamaica will soon have a national retail digital payment system which will facilitate transactions from various access points.
The work of the bank is being guided by a working group on retail payments and financial market infrastructure, which is overseeing several projects to include the development and the implementation of an access policy, promotion of the use of commitment savings, and the design of a national retail payment strategy.
Digital payment system involves settling financial transactions electronically. In January, the Bank of Jamaica cautioned Jamaicans against investing in cryptocurrencies, a digital currency which operates independently of a central bank. The central bank was criticized by various stakeholders in society who claimed the decision was a backward one. The advisory also led to the eventual closure of one local cryptocurrency company, which moved its operations to other islands across the region. Fast forward a few months later, and the discussion around digital payments has drastically changed. In fact, the BOJ Deputy Governor said guidelines to regulate the new digital payment system are well underway.
In addition, the bank has implemented a facilitative regulatory framework to guide the introduction of electronic retail payments through the issuance of the Guidelines for Electronic Retail Payment Services, which was implemented in 2013. Based on our experiences and stakeholder feedback, we are in the process of updating the guidelines.
Mr. Morrison, who's also in charge of finance and technology and payment systems at the central bank, argued that the move towards a cashless payment system has many benefits which cannot be overlooked.
These solutions also offer an opportunity to reduce transaction costs associated with traditional payment services and reduce security risk associated with the use of cash.
In the meantime, Managing Director of the Development Bank of Jamaica (DBJ), Milverton Reynolds, warned Jamaicans of the risk involved with operating in the informal sector and not being attached to the formal banking sector.
As we all know, these choices are almost always inefficient, risky, and expensive. And therefore we encourage those who are regarded as the unbanked to become a part of the formal financial system, as it will provide benefits to the individual as well as on a national level.
For the Business Review, I'm Anthony Lugg.